In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Spark driver password. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, we need to go ahead and open up a web browser, go to Google, and now in the Google search box, type in DDI driver login, then hit search. Then we want to click on the first link where it says my.ddwork.com delivery drivers inc login, and this is where we can change our, or we can click on forgot password to reset your password. So click onto that link. Then from here, you come to this page, and then there's going to be a forgotten password button. So click on forgotten password. Then from there, you'll be typically asked to enter your registered email address or username associated with your account. From there, Spark should send you an email with a password reset link or a temporary password. So go ahead and check your inbox and also your spam folder if you don't see it for that email. Then just click the link in the email to go to a page where you can create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password and write it down so you don't lose it this time. Then from there, once the password is reset, go back to the login page and sign in with your new credentials.